Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings, so let's tap on it and then scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. As you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, or the screen time simply, so we can check that I've been using it for 40 minutes today. Most of the time I've spent on the settings, kind of less on phone, camera, Chrome and the others. We've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. So if you'd like to check some further details, you've got two different ways or two different methods to do that. You can tap inside the graph, and thanks to this you will be transferred to this dashboard, which will show you the amount of time you've spent on the screen in each day. Under it you've got the list of apps which you've been using and for how long. You can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. What is more, the second method to check the details is to tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings, the phone, the camera, etc. Let me pick the settings, and as you can see here, we've got the graph, which is tightly connected with only this one app. We can also change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Let's go back. Here we've got the unlocks and notifications code, and I've already told you about it. And just a quick disclaimer before I'll finish the video about the ways to disconnect. Basically, if you need the time for yourself, you feel that you need to rest from the social world, for example, or basically from your device, you want to sleep, etc. I highly recommend to set, for example, the bedtime mode or the focus mode, because thanks to this you will be able to pick some kind of distracting apps. So I believe like the social apps, social media apps like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, etc. You will be able to mark them, set a schedule, so pick the days and the hours in which your device will apply the focus mode, and then your device will simply hide the notifications from those chosen apps, which simply means that you will not be disturbed at all. Alright, so basically that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.